It's Memorial Day weekend, the kickoff of STEAM, tractor, and farm shows. We don't have many in Texas, so I created my own, featuring the works of our own St. Paul STEAM. I hope you enjoy. So this is all stuff that came from St. Paul STEAM. It's his swings. He restored the Empire transmission. It's his double 5 engine. His water pump, the corn shucker, and the transmission, and even this little cool Jensen funnel. So I've got it all running off of his Jensen double 5 here, and on steam. So Bruce, thanks for all the great creations. And of course Teddy's watching over the whole thing. See if we can't slow the swings down a little bit. There we go. Of course, I've got Jeff's Chuff pot and his water tower here too. Rest in peace, Jeff. So that's the Memorial Day in preparation for engine season. For all the traction engines, since we don't have many shows here in Texas, I decided that I'd have my own show right here. Well, I'm out of water, so I turned off the power, and yeah, it ran great.